Howdy, my name is Morgan, and I work at the Academic Success Center as a tutor in math and social science courses. Today, we're going to go over a question commonly asked by Math 151 students, aka Engineering Calc 1. So the question is how to find the distance from a given point to a given line. And this is such a commonly asked question because there are many different methods on how to solve this problem, and a lot of professors seem to have their own, and a lot of them can be very long and complicated. So we're going to go over the easiest and the fastest way to solve this problem. So our specific problem is finding the distance from the given point 4, 1 to the line y equals 2x plus 1. The way we're going to do this is we're first going to use the line given to find another point on the line. The way we're going to do this is we're going to pick a random number for either x or y and solve for what the other variable is equal to at that point. So for example, I'm going to choose x is equal to 1. And when I plug in 1 or the x is in that equation, I can solve what y is at point 1. So y is equal to 2 plus 1, y is equal to 3. So our point becomes 1, 3. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to take the perpendicular of that point. So the way we take a perpendicular of a point is if we have our point is equal to xy, the perpendicular of that point would equal to negative y x. So for our point, 1, 3, the perpendicular of that point is going to equal negative 3, 1. And I'm going to call this point A. Now our point B is going to be the point that was given to us in the question. So 4, 1. Next, we're going to take a look at what the distance equation is. So the distance equation is the absolute value of the dot product of A times point B over the magnitude of point A. So by the time you've gotten to this problem in calc, you've definitely learned how to do the dot product and magnitude. Just in case you forgot, we'll go over it one more time. So the way we find the dot product between 2 points, let's say we have points x1, y1, dot product, x2, y2. The dot product of this would equal x1 times x2 plus y1 times y2. So here our point, negative 3, 1 times 4, 1, that dot product is going to equal negative 3 times 4 plus 1 times 1, which of course is negative 12 plus 1, which gives us negative 11. Next, we're going to find the magnitude of A. So the way we find the magnitude of a given point is, let's say we had to find the magnitude of point x, y. The magnitude would just equal the square root x squared plus y squared. So our A point is negative 3, 1. So if we were to find the magnitude of this, it'd just be the square root of negative 3 squared plus 1 squared, which is going to equal the square root of 10. So now that we know our dot product is equal to negative 11 and our magnitude is equal to the square root of 10, we can plug it back into our equation, which is distance equals the absolute value of course, the dot product, the dot product over the magnitude. So the absolute value of negative 11 over square root 10. And the absolute value of anything just means take the positive of what's in the bars. So that's going to equal 11 over 10. And that's our answer. If you have any other math questions or questions on any other subject, make sure to check out tutoring hours and locations at asc.tamu.edu. Thanks and gig 'em.